Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to JEA Capital. We are waiting for the windows to defrost because it's a cold morning up here in the north, and we want to get you some good information on a few things that we feel about inflation and the reason that you should get in a 506c fund and invest in real estate. Well, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Glad you guys are here to watch me talk this morning, per se. Well, anyway, we've had a lot of fun, exciting relationships lately in real estate, and it's so much fun to be in a position to meet with so many great people and talk to these people and have such synergy together that they want to help you go somewhere, and we want to help them go somewhere. And what I want to talk about this morning is the importance of getting your money invested in real estate. And now I'm a guy that's going to tell you all about real estate and not about the cryptocurrency and stuff like that, because I feel like real estate has the ultimate tax advantages and the ultimate accelerator to be able to preserve your money during these times. We all know inflation is on the rise. We all know that inflation is not probably going to go anywhere anytime soon. Right now, we have a real estate fund. We can syndicate real estate, excuse me. And in that fund, we raise private capital, people with a high net worth or people that are accredited investors. We could put your money into real estate, and we only invest in multifamily. And in multifamily, we're securing loans. It's 3.5%, 3.3%. We've had some 3.75 and even 4%. So if we're taking your capital and we're putting that in the fund, and we're going and buying real estate in great growth neighborhoods, we're preserving your money. We're preserving quite a bit of your money because we're putting that into the deal. 20 to 25% down is where your capital goes. We secure the loan, and during that time period that we hold the loan, then we are creating you with tax advantages the same as we are. You can kind of write off those returns and also apply depreciation on your tax schedule because you are invested with us. Also, there is times that we do cost segregation. It's not that we put it on every deal. It all depends on the waterfall structure and where we're going to go with it. So we want to make sure that we are offering a great service for you to preserve your money during these times. And I'm not talking preservation through stocks, bonds, precious metals, cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin. That is not what we do. We don't support it. We don't, it's fine to be diversified, but that is not our model. We are 100% real estate. Therefore, I feel like we have the advantage because our skill set and our education is all about real estate. We are laser focused on real estate. So with that said, if we secure a loan for 3.5%, even 4%, we're doing better than inflation. So during 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, however long we hold our asset, maybe even 3 years, your money is invested in something that is appreciating. We have rent growth on there that makes that return go up every single year. And also, we are beating inflation because your money is invested in real estate. Therefore, it is not in the bank getting tore up by inflation. It is not just losing on the dollar. It is not invested in a stock and a bond that you're going to have to pull out and then turn around, and you may lose something in the stock market. You may not. I don't know. But with that, you're going to take that out and take it for personal income at some point because you need it. And when you do, you're going to have to pay taxes on that. Now, when we do some waterfall structures, we do what they call a cash out refi. there is no taxes on a cash out refi. So on that cash out refi, it's tax free. And we share that 50% with you. So with that said, if your money is invested in one of our properties in our fund, or we're invested with other partners, then you have the ultimate tax advantages. You're a safe harbor from inflation. You're doing very well because you're getting mailbox money. We're paying you every single month. We are paying you every quarter. Our 6% preferred return is paid every single month. It is mailbox money. Every quarter, we're paying you on the cash flow of the property. And when we finally disposition the property, you're going to get a large lump sum. Now, I would say the best route is jump into something like we're partnered with the Entrust Group. The Entrust Group, they are fantastic. They allow you to invest in our fund. You can transfer your funds out of a 401k, IRA. You can put it straight in their company if you are an accredited investor. And there is some new rules that I'm going to put a video out on because they've kind of changed the rules on what we can do now as far as accredited people. So I'm not going to get us in trouble. I'm going to do some studying on that, and I will make a video and get back to you guys. But we are going to dig into that more. But the Entrust Group. So the Entrust Group, you're going to put your money in the Entrust Group. They're going to be an option for you to invest in JEA Capital Fund II LLC. That fund is already in there and active. So you can choose that and invest in real estate with your 401k or your self-directed IRA or IRA. They will flip that around where you can legally invest in our corporation. And then we pay the Entrust Group back with the mailbox money, the quarterly money, and the disposition. So it allows you to grow your funds tax-free. If I send you a check, I got to send you a 1099, K1. We got to make sure that you are claiming your income. It's just the IRS. It's what they do. So I feel like the Entrust Group is the ultimate powerhouse for tax and money preparation and preservation. So with that said, we'll do a video on these new rules and everything on the accredited investor thing, and see if there's ways we can accept people a little easier than the $1 million net worth. And I think it's $200,000 for a single person a year of what you make to make accredited, and if you're married, $300,000, $1 million net worth without including your home. So those are tough for a lot of people. But those are the people we want to help at the same time. We really, really want to help people that just have the W-2, not making tons of money in their 401k. We want to help you retire. We want to help you achieve the dream of having an abundance of money when it comes time to retire, and you're not going to outlive your retirement. So I'm going to cut this here and get to work. The windshield's finally defrosted. Hope to see you guys more. Please leave a comment, smash the like button, and also hit the little bell there so you can stay tuned when we post more. I'm going to throw this on both of my channels, and I hope to see you guys throwing some feedback in there, asking for some more information on what we do on JEA Capital. I will have in the show notes email address, both websites, and everything that you need to get a hold of us. So y'all have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. And again, always be safe, be fun, and be passionate about what you do, and make your money being extraordinary.